Hi everyone, it's been a while again. This is going to be a little update video on what I've been doing, what I've been up to, and a little bit like what's been going on and why I've been absent. Also in this video, I'll show you how I come up with some art ideas. So yeah, let's just get right into it. The last couple months, I've been super busy with a lot of new art opportunities and adventures that some of them I will share, some of them I won't. And on top of that, I've also been dealing with a lot of personal stuff, some heavy stuff, which has also slowed down a lot of my progress in a lot of areas. But I'm slowly picking up the pace again and gonna get back in the groove again of posting and creating and showing you guys what I've been up to. I still have been making art and doing some awesome things as much as I can handle, and I'll be showing you some of those. So here's a little preview of what I've been up to in the last couple months. I got to be a part of this awesome group show celebrating Amsterdam turning 750 years old, right at Amsterdam Central, right basically when you step out of the train station there. So for that, I wanted to make my own artwork celebrating that and also showing my interpretation of Amsterdam in my art world. It took me a month in total to finish that painting, so I cannot wait to share that video with you guys. That will be my next video that I will be uploading, so stay tuned for that. I will promise it's not gonna take 3 months again. I've also done these other awesome art adventures, like be a part of this other art show at this new gallery located in Amsterdam North. Basically, when you step out of the metro station, it's right there. Beautiful new gallery with fantastic artists and atmosphere. So I'll be making a little vlog about that soon. Not too soon because I'm going on vacation very soon, in a couple days soon. But I'll be uploading this video and then the video that I just showed you, the art celebration, that I'll be obviously like in that video, I'll be talking far more about it, about all the details, how I stumbled upon this opportunity, that type of stuff. It's gotta be fun and enjoyable. Anyways, on top of this all, I promise you guys I've been working on the mural celebration to celebrate me hitting 1,000 subscribers. I know it's been a while, but a bunch of stuff has happened. And also kitchen renovation and some other stuff and some... I won't get too deep into it, but I can show you a little taste of the design that I created for you all. And that's gonna be on the wall. But yeah, I hope you guys like this design and I hope you guys are still excited to see how this mural is going to turn out in the future once I start it. I've come to realize through like all of this posting on YouTube, my own personal stuff happening in the last couple months and everything like that, what type of channel I would personally like to be. I realize I don't think I could be the type of channel that posts regularly, like, oh, every week you're gonna get a video. I'll be posting when I think I have something worthy to post, and also obviously when I have the energy for that. Sometimes I won't, but I will be getting more and more energy back, and then slowly we'll be building up to hopefully posting once a week, because that's what I would love to do with you guys. But yeah, for me it's important that it's quality over quantity. I mean, not saying that my videos are high quality, they're not, but I hope you understand what I'm meaning, like what I'm posting, the art that I'm posting. I hope that at least gives you guys something. I love sharing it. I love sharing my own little like art progress. It's nice for me to see in the future as well, to look back on it and be like, okay, so that is how I used to paint. And oh, how did I create this? Oh, let's look back on it. Like it's kind of nice. It's like having a life portfolio. My goal is to be like a channel that makes art vlogs, art progress videos to show you like how I make certain artworks that I've created. I also want to do tutorials a bit more, like really try to delve into that and find a language so that I can communicate with you guys better how I do my own art processes. What else would I love to do? I'd love to do more collaborations. I am so open for collaborations with other YouTubers, with other artists, you name it. I feel like I'm forgetting something, but that about sums it up what I would like this channel to be. With sometimes sprinkled in some sponsored content if it's something that I enjoy myself, use myself, and think is worthy. I'd love to do more art challenges as well. If there's any art challenge you would like to see me try, please comment that down below. Maybe I'll do it. I probably will. probably the first one that gets posted. Let's see. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you for being here, and thank you all for being so patient. For now, let me give you a little taste of my art again and give you one little tip on how you can create your own little art stories on paper, canvas, or anything you're working on. Sometimes when I want to start a new artwork and need an idea I can work on, I just do something really simple. I grab an experience I had, memory, or even just something you've seen someone else experience, and then I transform it into something fun, wacky, or scary, or all of those three things combined. I'll show you by example what I mean. I'll work on this little panel that I got, which also has a tea spill, thanks to me. I'm a little messy. I'm gonna try to recreate my current arch nemesis, a fat seagull who stole my sausage bread, not once, almost twice. For that, I'll grab an easy reference from Google Images. This one right here looks pretty sneaky and evil as the one who stole from me. You see, a couple months ago, I went downtown to do some groceries and go to my local Hema, which sells this thing called Rookworst, which is a smoked sausage on a bun. And as I walk outside the store with my partner right next to me, an uneaten, fresh, beautiful sausage bread in my hand, I suddenly hear this big flap and crash sound as my vision gets temporarily clouded by white feathers and my hand suddenly feels lighter. This was all followed by my partner laughing as we both watched this flying beast swallow my freshly made whole sausage bread up in 2 gulps, while this bastard looked me right in the eye. He sneakily flew and crashed against my partner's head right between us as we were walking to steal my freshly bought sausage bread. I swore from that point on to never let my guard down in that area ever again. Fast forward a month later and I'm back at the Hema getting myself a delicious Rookworst. I step outside those same doors, this time not fully letting my guard down because I've been paranoid since the last time. And just like a ninja in the night, it happened again. Except this time I came prepared and turned away at the right time with the sausage in my mouth. Bastard got his beak on my bun and took some of my mustard away, but he didn't get my sausage bun this time. So checkmate. We both looked at each other with an understanding that this wouldn't be our last rodeo. From that point, our fates tied together and we became each other's arch nemesis. I thought it would be fun to make this creature creation quite literally and turn the seagull into a sneaky, successful ninja who goes out and steals smoked sausages from passerbys. I took the funny situation and really focused on how this bird made me feel. It made me feel like he was a professional ninja. So I took that literally and used that for an easy and fun art idea. So a great tip for art is to use humor and see how far that brings your artwork. What fun stories do you have to tell? How would you like to share them? I'd love to hear about them down in the comments below. For now, we are finally done with this little artwork practice. I enjoyed creating this so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some inspiration out of it. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more art adventures in the future. I'll be posting more videos soon. And as always, stay creative and stay hydrated.